Hi guys, good evening. Today I will cook risotto, my fiance's favorite risotto from Italy. So guys, I will show you how to only my opinion and this one I had an experience, but we will see if he likes it later. First, guys, we have a little bit ingredients here because this one is very simple risotto. It's made by home. So I prepared five pieces of mushroom, guys, and the onions, and maybe I will get here three pieces of garlic, and this is also for the water and the cheese. I don't know later. The bacon, and then a little bit butter and the chili, and then later guys I will show you how to cook a little bit. And now I will put this in the water. Okay, so guys, we will boil water because this water for cooking the rice later here. So I will put the bouillon, and this one, the water, I don't know how is the how much water I will put it here in the rice. We will see. So guys, here's the ingredients that we need. We need the pepper, and then we need the salt, and this one is the herb salt, and of course the aromat, spicy, and the oregano. Makita natin yung oregano dito. So and of course the risotto rice from Switzerland, you can see, and the mushroom I will make more because it's very delicious. The bacon, the cheese from Switzerland, cow Switzerland, the spicy chili, the butter, the onions, the garlic, and the bouillon. And now there is water that we will cook for the rice, and the olive oil. So guys, now we start for cooking. So first we will put the a portion of oil in the pan. We'll see. We will make a little bit. Guys, it's okay if we put more olive oil because this one is very healthy oil. So I will start now. Yeah. So guys, here we go. We will wait for a little bit to become hot, and look at the ingredients. This one is very simple risotto, just for family cooking. So see you later guys. Okay guys, let's test if it's okay. Oh no, just a little bit. So
I will test.
now guys, we will make a little bit brown the garlic. So it's okay guys, you will see a lot of olive oil, but it's okay, it's an olive oil. So it's very healthy guys, the olive oil. It's not for fatty. And next guys, we will put now the onions. Yeah, the onions. Smell good. The onions guys, and we will make it brown. Smell good. Because guys, later we separate this one. We will cook here first the rice first, the ingredients, and then we will take out from the pan all of this, and we starting to cook the rice. And now guys, the bacon. Yeah. As you can see, you feel hungry, right? Yeah. And guys, especially the one waiting for my risotto.
They all want it.
Yeah. Waiting for my risotto. You know guys, pag nilutuan ko yung mga amo ko, they are eating a lot. My employer. So, they eating very nice. Guys, lalagyan ko po mamaya ng mga paminta. I will put the ingredients, like the spicy, all of this. And, of course, the rice later, and then this one. And this one is later. Then the butter. Yeah. First this one and this one. And I will take out, guys, this one in the pan because I'm starting to cook the rice here. Okay, and then now this one. Okay, guys, here we go. Wow. Yummy. Yummy, honey. So that's why, guys, he loves me a lot. He loves me because I cook him very, very nice food. So guys, you know guys, this is the tip of the woman. If you cook very nice to your boyfriend or to your husband to be, you need to know how to cook very well. And guys, you will put gayuma. So he's always angry with me. Guys, so okay guys, I will take out this. I don't want because I will cook later. Okay guys, see you later for the rice. So guys, now oh sorry for my hands. Now is the rice. So we will cook here the rice like this. So just make like this. Oh, I need to put a little bit high. So let's make like this first before we put water. Guys, when you put the water, just slowly, and small portion of the water like this. Yeah. So so that's why the rice is not forcing to cook. Okay. But not yet finished. There is no oil. Yeah, we will make them. Okay, guys. Now I will put the water like this first, and then look at that. You will see, guys. So I put how many times, and always repeating. You will repeat and repeat, guys, until look at this is the water is gone. And then after a few minutes, you will put it again, one portion that, so until the rice is become soft a little bit. Okay. Nagyan ko ng blower, guys, kasi nabatas. And now we will put the butter, guys. Yeah, this one. Here we go. And guys, we will put now the one I cooked before, ingredients. Oh, here we are. Yeah. And then we will see if the rice, kung luto na yung rice mamaya. Kasi kaya hindi ko po masyadong niluto yung mushroom, and then because they will cook by this own later. So guys, after this the preparation, and I will show you, and later if the this one I will put it, and then this one, and then some of the ingredients. So still there is water, so I need to put it all because the risotto rice is very hard and a lot of time to cook. So guys, later I will show you the finished product of risotto.
1 hour later.
Hi guys, I transferred here because it's cooked very well, the rice, because in the pan is long time. So look at the rice, and this one is the while we are waiting para lumambot yung kanin, yung risotto, so it's become soft by risotto. Look at that. Yeah, it's still it's very long time the rice will become soft. So I always adding this, guys. Look at the I always adding the water. This one is okay, and so when I put it that on, and then the cheese later, because the rice is still hard. So and also I put the pepper and the chili salt and aroma. As you can see, it's always there, but it's not very spicy, this one. And this one is for the yummy products. So just let, and I will put it again in a few minutes. So guys, it's long time, right? So you can see now the rice is a little bit soft. So I will put now the cheese for life. Yeah, because guys, in a few minutes, wow, look at this. In a few minutes the rice is already cooked. So frost. So guys, we will wait again 20 minutes. So guys, look at how thick it is. Yeah, it's very thick, right guys? Yeah, in a 5 minutes our risotto is cooked. It's already cooked. So guys, see you later.
Later.
Hi guys, this is the risotto, the other one, and we will see what he's saying together with the wine.
Für das hätte doch schon die Möbel. Jetzt bei Max 10 Uur. Minus 20% auf Wohn